In the heart of the forest, everything was calm, peaceful, ordinary. A bunny, squirrel, raccoon, and bird are sitting together chatting and laughing. Until he appeared, walking like a legend, with one paw dragging like he owned the woods. Bunny couldn't breathe. Squirrel literally fell off a branch. The raccoon already had the shades on. And the bird just gave up and fainted. Every step echoed style. Every blink screamed confidence. This fox wasn't walking, he was making a statement. The fox suddenly trips over a root and crashes into a bush. Fur gets poofy. Forest animals burst out laughing. Until Swag met Root, and our hero met Bush. But legends don't quit. He got up, puffed out his chest, and said,
Pushpa walk, next time.
Even legends stumble. But the style, that stays forever.